essential oils because it brings out your natural state and awakens you. I put this on this morning, and let me tell you, I was wide awake. I was energetically surprised at how much my brain woke up. And it's cool, crisp, clean, comforting, and exhilarating. So if you're into essential oils, this is my go-to to wake up and invigorate your senses. Take care. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. You can find me on YouTube. I'll post a link below. And the link for my business. Or my link. Take care. Oh, and the kids in the background. Yep. Oh, that smells so good.